Okay, what does the same order mean? It's like this. It's not the same order, right? And also if you have this, yeah, B, and this, it's not the same order. Not the same order. So write it down. If you have something like this, same order, index is the same, right? Or like 3, because the square root we don't even write. Right? Does this make sense? Right? So far so good, right? Okay. So I'm gonna give you 2, and the reason why we do that is so that we can combine them. Like same as like variables 2a plus 3a, I can combine them. Same with radicals, you know, 2 cube root of a plus 3 cube root of a. Guess what? I can combine them. They actually act like variables, so it'll be 5 cube root of a. So, but for me to get there, you know, if I have like an awkward index, you know, one is a cube root, another one is like a index 5, there's no way I can combine them, so I need to make them the same. Are you writing this or are you reading a book? Which is good, but anyway. So step number 1, so you have 3 guys, index 4, and here's your 3. It's a square root of 2. We don't write the 2, right, yeah. And you guys ask me, why do I write it vertically? Because now I see steps, like what I'm gonna do with this guy, what I'm gonna do with this way, what I'm gonna do with this one. Okay, my next step is to release them, meaning take them out of the radical, get them out of jail, like take them for a walk, you know, in a prison court, you know, it's their exercise. Okay, so 3 will have what exponent, Nadine? Please. Please.
3 and
1/4. That is the exponent. Again, as I just wrote earlier, it was a, you know, this is what we do in this direction. We divide the exponent of a number inside by the index. Does this make sense? I mean, we studied this like 3 weeks ago, okay? Naomi.
Yeah.
2 has what exponent?
1/2.
1/2. Thank you. And 4 has what exponent? 1/3, right? A 1/3. Okay. Step 2. Is this clear? Okay. Because last time we studied this, like 2 of you did it, and the rest of them were like, what? Okay. Remember when can somebody like at some point like take this thing out? I don't know, in the hallway. Not now, but I mean you will guys like kill me with this thing, and I'll sue you. Okay, because you're like, oh, I can sue the teacher. I can sue, like, very scary, very dangerous.
Your son will grow up and he'll sue you.
Really, too funny.
Your son will grow up and he'll sue you.
All right, so step 2 is clear, right? Okay, remember when we talk about radicals, it's like this guy. Where's the radical?
His head.
Yeah.
His left
This
arm.
dot.
Exactly.
His
Thank you.
dream
It's
job.
like
The trick question.
it's a trick question. That is the question. Is the thoughts that he's thinking? It has nothing to do with the guy. Like you guys like started attacking these guys, like, you know, but it's not the person, it's his bad thoughts that we're dealing with right now. Do you understand? Because you started writing like nonsense. So I need to look at what? At this. This, yeah, very nice. And this. Do you understand? Right now, forget about them. These are people. They're good people. They just have bad thoughts. And I need to deal with those bad thoughts. I can't just like, you know, put Octavian in jail when he has bad thoughts. Okay. So, exactly. So I have 1/4, I have 1/2, and I have 1/3. My next step is to bring them to the
Common denominator.
work through it, push through it, stay awake, stay alert, on guard. Common denominator, which is?
12. Did you what?
18.
So I'll write, so that's first step. Second step, common denominator. And you guys guessed it right. It is 12. So how do we bring something to the common denominator?
You multiply.
What? You multiply the
Top and bottom.
top and bottom. Thank you very much. Some of you did not. You just multiply the bottom. So how do I get from 4 to 2? I mean, like, I'm explaining something that you're supposed to know in 6th grade, right? Okay,
3.
thank you. So that's by 3, and this by 3. This one? 6, 6, 4, 4. Rewrite. Jazzy totally like I'm better than that, you know. I'm not even gonna rewrite it. I'm just gonna give you the final answer. Like 3 wrong final answers. Nah, not good enough for me. Okay. So I'm gonna have a 3. It's my guy. Nothing happens to my guy. Like some of you multiplied it by 12. I'm like, why? The thoughts, they kind of like don't go to work. The thoughts, they don't drive a car. That's the guy who goes to work and drives a car. And I have him in the degree of 3, 12. That's the guy 2, 6, 12. And that's the guy 4 in the degree of 4, 12. My next step is what?
Put them back in jail.
Thank you. Back to their cells.
You should be a cop.
Stop. The prison guard. Back to jail. Right? Put them back. Okay, Octavian. Your moment of truth. Your moment to shine.
Remember the denomindex.
Where is the index?
What
is
number
it?
is in the
Yeah.
index? The 3.
Jesus, give me strength.
Oh, no way.
Did you know you're storing denomindex?
Like seriously, do we need to start another Sharpie torture? Because obviously it's like you can't, Octavian, you can't. Denominator is always an index. That's a 2, 12 and 6. That's a 4, back in jail, 12 and 4. But it kind of makes sense, Octavian, because I want the same order, same index for all 3 of them. So it's got to be 12, because these are all different. 3, 6, 4. Now, my last step is what?
You can just solve the.
Calculate inside if you can. So your guys 12 stays, but 3 in the cube degree, like you may have a variable there, like b in the cube degree, then you have arrived. There's nothing you can do. But 3 cubed, I can do. What's that gonna be?
27.
Thank you. What's this?
64.
Thank you. And this one, I allowed you to use a calculator and you couldn't like press it 4 times. Like your fingers are too fat from playing your computer games.
Doesn't that make you
I don't have a
smarter, though?
computer.
You press Q's.
It is not 128.
336.
It is not.
What is wrong?
4 in the 4th degree.
And the
All it takes is
I don't
press
have
it.
Oh my god. I'll do it.
I don't see it.
256.
Thank you. And that completes our tutorial. Thank you very much.